Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. How are you? In this video, we will learn to control gates, for example, doors with smoke sensor. If the value of smoke increases, doors will automatically open, and the ratio of smoke will also be displayed on the IoT server. For this, I will need a smoke sensor. Will need smoke, and this is a smoke sensor. I will need smoke sensor. I will need one gate which will be automatically open when the ratio of the smoke increases, and also I will need switch home gateway which I am using continuously. This will be the home gateway, and I will control this gateway by the any smart devices. Okay, this is smart devices. Now I'm going to connect all these devices with each other, and I will use internet Ethernet to the home gateway. The same, I will connect the gate to the uh, home gateway. We can also use the wireless cord to connect these devices, but currently I'm just using wires to connect these devices with each other. Okay, for mobile is not supporting any wireless, so we are going to use to connect mobile smartphone. We will use the Wi-Fi address of the home gateway, which is a home gateway. I'm just copying it, and I will paste it only into the smartphone. And configuration into the wireless, I will just paste it here. Okay, I have pasted, and the connection will be established automatically. The wireless connection is established. The dotted line shows that the mobile has been connected to the home gateway. I'm going to set the home gateway. For example, its local area network address, which is 192 and something, which is a large figure. I'm just using the single figure for the ease, because I have to use this address for the several location, and its subnet address will be 0.0.0. So you have to remember that 1.1.1.1 is the IP address of the home gateway. Okay, no need to change the local area network, and no need to change the value. Now to connect all these devices to the home gateway, I will go to the each devices to directly connect it to the home gateway. Okay, I'm clicking on the smoke sensor, going to the configuration tool, and in the configuration tool I will go to the fast Ethernet. In fast Ethernet I will click on the DHCP for the IPv4 and the IPv6. As I click on the DHCP, you can notice here that automatically address is assigned to this. Now to set its default location, I will click its default route to the home gateway. Now all the setting for the smoke sensor has been changed, but one thing I am changing its name too, because IoT 16 during when we will program and we will impose some condition on it, it will be difficult to recognize any device with its numbers. So the best is, for example, I am going to name it as smoke detector. During programming or during its allocation, it will be easy for me. Okay, this is smoke detector, and this is the home gateway. And in the home gateway, in the configuration figure, it is IoT devices, IoT 17, but I am changing its name to gate, or we can say door. Okay, emergency door, which will be open automatically as anything is detected, as the smoke is detected. And it's I'm going to the fast Ethernet to change its okay, let me do change here, and its default gateway home gateway. Now this device of gate is also connected to the home gateway. I'm doing one thing more. I'm connecting here a siren which will run automatically as the smoke is detected. So this is a Siren. I'm going to use the fast Ethernet cable to connect this Siren to the home gateway. Now it has been connected. I will do the same configuration for the Siren too. In the configuration, I will give its name as a Siren. Okay, and its default home gateway will be selected as the home gateway, and the home gateway IP address will be automatically selected, and so the DHCP address will also be automatically selected. No, we will not do anything with that. Now we assume that this device has been connected to the server. Okay, yes, it has been connected because the IP assigned to it. Now I'm going to add a smartphone to connect all these devices. Smartphone, I'm changing it to smartphone, and its default gateway will be, I'm statically giving the IP address of the gateway, which is 1.1.1.1, and its DNS server will also be 1.1.1.1, and also its wireless address will be automatically assigned to the devices. We can see the addresses automatically assigned to the mobile too. Now to check all the addresses, bring the mouse onto the door. You can see that its address has been assigned, and to the Siren, its address also has been assigned to the mobile. Its address has also been assigned to it, and the smoke detector. So now we are clicking on the smartphone, and now we will go toward the desktop, and in the desktop we will click on the IoT monitor. If you remember, the IP address of the server was 1.1.1.1, and we will use the same password and the same username, and we are going to log in, and you can see we have connected 3 devices, and 3 devices are here. Note now to check the you can see that the value of the smoke detector is shown here, and so the emergency gates are shown here, and so the Siren is. Okay, now we are going to the condition statement to impose condition on that. First I'm going to add, and in the add the name will be a smoke detection. Okay, in the smoke detection, the primary condition will initiate from the smoke detection, because as the smoke is detected, and I'm putting it on its alarm, and if the smoke value is greater than or equal to 0.1, which is the minimum value, and what it will have effect, it will have effect on the emergency door, that the emergency door will automatically open, and secondly, and the emergency siren will also start ringing. So it will also start ringing. Okay, so I am imposing the condition on it. Okay, now how I will increase the smoke value. To increase the smoke value, I will go to the home smart city. The smart city, I'm using the car. In the carbon, I will click on it, alt click, it will produce smoke, and as the smoke is produced and as its value is increased, automatically the garage door will be open and the siren will start ringing. As you can see that as the value of smoke increased, the siren started ringing and also the garage door open. We can use the same, we can add here another condition. As the smoke value decreases, the garage door will automatically close and the siren will also stop ringing. But in this video it is enough. Inshallah, in next video I'm bringing much more about IoT. So thank you so much for watching.